IMF vows to rein in El Salvador's Bitcoin stash under loan conditions. Bitcoin, IMF. To unlock the next $120 million in IMF funding, El Salvador agreed to tighten fiscal policy, boost bank liquidity, and reform pensions and civil service. Crypto reporter, Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter, Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. El Salvador is once again facing international scrutiny for its continued embrace of Bitcoin. On Tuesday, the International Monetary Fund said it had reached a staff-level agreement with the Salvadoran government as part of the first review of a $1.4 billion extended loan program. While praising the country's progress on fiscal reforms and macroeconomic stability, the IMF said it would work to ensure that the total amount of Bitcoin held by the government remains unchanged. The announcement, which follows months of negotiations, reflects a delicate balancing act between supporting El Salvador's economic ambitions and placing limits on its headline-grabbing Bitcoin policy. The IMF noted that while risks from the country's crypto adoption have diminished, maintaining stability requires tighter controls. As part of the terms, El Salvador also committed to withdrawing public sector involvement in the Chivo wallet, its state-run Bitcoin app, by the end of July. Despite IMF oversight, El Salvador's Bitcoin wallet keeps growing. The update follows comments from Economy Minister Maria Luisa Hayam, who reiterated in April that Bitcoin remains a government priority. Speaking at the Web Summit in Rio de Janeiro, she confirmed that the country continues to accumulate Bitcoin despite the IMF program's guidelines. Since striking the deal in December 2024, El Salvador has added at least 20 Bitcoin to its treasury. As of May 2025, the country holds around 6,190 BTC, worth an estimated $675 million with last BTC purchase made on May 28. With Bitcoin prices soaring this year, the nation sits on unrealized gains of over $350 million, according to government data. IMF backs limited crypto exposure as El Salvador pledges economic reforms. El Salvador became the first country in the world to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender in 2021, a move that drew sharp criticism from multilateral lenders including the IMF. Talks over financial support stalled for years as the fund urged the country to reconsider its crypto policy. But the recent agreement signals a more pragmatic tone, with the IMF allowing limited crypto exposure while insisting on broader economic discipline. To secure the next $120 million tranche of funding, the Salvadoran government has agreed to strengthen fiscal consolidation, raise bank liquidity requirements, and implement civil service and pension reforms. The IMF said the deal remains subject to executive board approval and hinges on the country meeting prior agreed actions. While the Bitcoin cap may frustrate crypto advocates, the Salvadoran administration appears determined to continue its digital asset experiment within the limits of international oversight. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Rich Dad Poor Dad author. Bitcoin is the easiest way to get rich. Even 0.01 BTC could be life-changing. SUI just flipped XRP in institutional inflows. What happens next might shock the market. SUI price prediction. Hyperliquid trader James Wynn exits $1.25 billion long Bitcoin bet at a loss. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $16 billion real estate project goes live on XRP Ledger. $500 XRP coming soon? 1 day ago. By Simon Chandler. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP holds $2.31 before Memorial Day volume decline. Will reduced institutional activity spark rally to $2.75? 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Bitcoin News. Why is crypto down today? May 15, 2025. May 15, 2025. By Seed Fatal Pazik. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.